Hello and welcome to the Tip of the Week. This week's topic is Manage Users in Collaborative Inboxes. Have you ever been asked to add, remove, or change a user's role in a collaborative inbox? Google has made it to where you can do this as long as you have the right role. You need to have either the owner or manager role in the group to be able to manage users in this way. To get this role, you will need to contact one of the managers or the owner of the group. Let's look at how to manage users in a collaborative inbox. Open Google Chrome and click on the waffle next to your profile picture. Scroll down if needed and click on Groups. Click on the group that you should be a manager in. If you don't see an option in the menu to the left called People, then you are not a manager or an owner. By clicking on Member, though, you can see who the manager is and then email and ask them to change your role. Once you are a manager, your menu on the left should look like mine does here. Click on People in the menu to the left. To change the role of a member, click the drop-down arrow next to the role they currently have and choose between owner, manager, and member. Be careful what level you give them, as managers and owners can change settings for everyone in the group. To add a member, click Add Members to the right of the group title at the top. Start typing their name in the correct group. Add a welcome message and click Add Member. To remove a member, hover over their profile picture and click the checkbox. In the area directly above the accounts in the group, click the Remove symbol on the right side. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.